Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 Iron. This bike just arrived with only 675 miles. It's got that classic Sportster styling, along with a few nice upgrades, including the LED turn signals, little mini windscreen. Wait till you hear that exhaust system, and this old retro style sissy bar. Come on by and get your practically showroom condition Sportster Iron 1200. Price to sell just $99.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.